Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Today we will solve 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x minus 1, which is equal to 0.11. Then we are asked to find the value of x. In order to find the value of x, let's start from the given question. The question says, solution. From the given equation, we have 10 to the power of x, 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x minus 1, which is equal to 0.11. This equation can be rewritten as 10 to the power of x plus, but here we have 10 to the power of x minus 1. This is expressed as 10 to the power of x, times 10 to the power of minus 1. Why? Because for any exponents like a to the power of m minus 1 is always expressed as a to the power of m times a to the power of minus n. Great. So because of this is equal to 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x times 10 to the power of minus 1, which is equal to, here 0.11 is expressed as 11 over 100. And also again, for any exponential functions, let's say, for any exponents, a to the power of minus m is always equal to 1 over, a to the power of m. So because of this 10 to the power of minus 1 is expressed as 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x times this is expressed as 1 over 10 to the power of minus 1. That means which is 10 as it is. Then which is equal to what? 11 over 100. So here we have the common factor, that is 10 to the power of x here, and also 10 to the power of x here. So we can write 10 to the power of x in bracket 1 plus 1 over 10. Yes, great. So this is equal to 11 over 100. Now our equation becomes, this equation is expressed as, sorry. Okay, 10 to the power of x in bracket 1 plus 1 over 10, which is equal to 11 over 100. This is the last simplified equation. So we must add up 1 plus 1 with 1 over 10. So we get 10 to the power of x in bracket, let's say 1 over 1 plus 1 over 10 in bracket, which is equal to 11 over 100. So we must take the least common multiple of 1 and 10, which is 10. Then 10 divided by 1 is 1 times 10. Sorry, 10 divided by 1 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10 here, plus 10 divided by 10 is 1 times 1 is 1 here. The whole bracket times 10 to the power of x, which is equal to 11 over 100. Great. So we get 10 to the power of x in bracket 10 plus 1 is 11 here, divided by 10, which is equal to 11 over 100. Then again divide both sides of the equation with what? 10 over, 10 over the 2. That means the inverse of 10, 11 over 10. That means we divide both sides of the equation with what? We can write from here 10 to the power of x in bracket 11 over 10 divided by 10 over 11 here, which is equal to again 11 over 100 divided by what? 10 over 11. Then we get from the left we only have what? This is cancelled out by this, 10 to the power of x is left. Then from the right, this 11 is eliminated by this 11. Then 10 divided by 10 divided by 100, which is equal to, this 0 is cancelled out by this 0, which is equal to 1 over 10. Great. Then 10 to the power of x, which is equal to 1 over 10. This is again expressed as, we know that for any fractions like 1 over, yes, a to the power of m, we must express this as a to the power of minus m. So because of this, 1 over 10 is equal to 10 to the power of minus 1. Now we can easily find the value of x. That means 10 to the power of x, which is equal to 10 to the power of minus 1. Then here we have the same base 10. Here is also 10. We must we take the exponents of the equation. So x, which is equal to minus 1, is what? The solution set of this equation. Let's check it. That means, let's say 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x minus 1, which is equal to 0.11. Substitute x with, yes, negative 1. That means 10 to the power of minus 1 plus, yes, here is again 10 to the power of minus 1, which is equal to 0.11. So 10 to the power of 1 is equal to, yes, 1 over 10 to the power of 1, that means 1 over 10, plus here is 10 to the power of minus 2, which is equal to 0.11. So now we have, yes, 1 over 10 plus, yes, 1 over 10 to the power of 2 is expressed as 10 square. That means 100, yes, great, 100, which is equal to 0.11. Now we take the common factor, the common factor multiple of 10 and 100, which is 100 divided by, then the 100 divided by 10 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10 here, plus 100 divided by 100 is 1. 1 times 1 is what? 1, which is equal to 0.11. Then 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 divided by 100 gives us what? 0.11. So the value of x, which is equal to minus 1, is the solution set of our equation. So x must be 1.